The question over here is, in the presence of a catalyst, the heat evolved or absorbed during the reaction is going to increase or decrease, remains unchanged, may decrease or increase. So beta ji, catalysts जो होते हैं, they are defined as those substances which alter the rate of reaction by changing the path of the reaction. If I just talk about catalyst, I'll just say those substances, fine, which alter, those substances which alter the rate of reaction, which alter the rate of reaction by changing the path of reaction, by changing the path of reaction. Remember this particular thing. So most of time a catalyst is used to speed up or increase the rate of reaction. However, if we go to a deeper level, तो catalysts जो होते हैं, they are used to break or rebuild the chemical bonds between the atoms which are present in a molecule of different elements or compounds. So in a way, in the presence of catalyst, uh, it it's the catalyst that encourages the molecules to react and make the whole reaction process easier and more efficient. Clear hai? So a catalyst does not initiate a chemical reaction, and this catalyst is not consumed in a reaction. It's not consumed in a reaction. ये reaction में present तो रहता है in order to alter the rate of reaction by changing the path basically. So catalyst tends to react with the reactants to form the intermediates, and at the same time they facilitate the production of the final reaction product. After the whole process, a catalyst is regenerated. So अगर ये कहें कि heat is evolved or absorbed during the reaction, that too in the presence of the catalyst, I'll say there is no effect on the heat evolved or absorbed during the reaction in the presence of a catalyst, क्योंकि catalyst participate नहीं करेगा reaction के अंदर. So the answer is option number 3 remains unchanged.